Hello.
Check, check.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Abhishek Jotwani, the commercial PR specialist at IKEA India.
A very good morning to all you lovely people and welcome to a very bright and sunny IKEA morning. I am Anisha Agarwal, I am the marketing manager for Karnataka, and a warm welcome to all of you from the IKEA family here.
Today we welcome you to the IKEA Nagasandra launch event.
And in the last many years that we've been in India, our effort and aim has been to establish the brand in the hearts and minds of the many people of not just Bangalore and Karnataka but also in India. In the last 1 year, especially in Bangalore, when we started our e-commerce journey 1 year back, today we are in the homes of more than 90,000 people only in Bangalore and the surrounding towns as well. To continue with this journey and now to open Nagasandra, what we did was to take this aim a little more higher, to take the brand to greater heights. And to do so, I hope you would have seen that we are putting up small little blue boxes in different malls, in residential societies. We will also be present in various hotspots across metro stations, airports, and then it becomes very important for us that people recognize that IKEA is here in Nagasandra.